What's up, guns? All right, today is the day we're gonna be giving away the manual boost controller to the people that commented on the previous video. So here's how we have it. Chronological order from the person that first commented to the last. So Never Lift Drift commented first, Daxbone commented last. And their numbers right here are synced up to these raffle tickets. So you have 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. So that's the order. And what we're gonna be doing to make this a little fun is I'm gonna actually take these tickets to test to show you that the system actually works, but I'm taking these little helping hands and we're putting the tickets inside the exhaust. Yeah. So we're gonna put them inside the exhaust as far as they can go, and then whichever ticket makes it the furthest is the winner. So, you ready?
Let's do it.
All right, so let's do a test real quick just to show the concept here. I'm gonna give it a little throttle blip. Now, in previous tests, it doesn't matter what order these are in, even if they are in like numerical order, they still all blow out at different frequency. But just to show you anyways, it's 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Oops, okay, let me swap these two. Okay, well, I have no reason to lie. Like, I don't know anybody in this comment section, so it doesn't really matter. I'm sending it to whoever. You know, it's not like anybody paid for paid for anything. It's just me giving stuff away for free, so. Anyway, so let's shove it in here. Alright. So I think I'm running a little rich.
Yeah, it looks like it a little bit.
No, it's just condensation from the night. Because it got real hot after getting cold. Alright, I'm gonna flip the throttle like right away. So that way they can all come out. All 6 of them should have come out.
Yep.
Nice. Yep. Okay, and just to show, okay, what is this one? This one is the furthest away, and this is 46. And let's see the second furthest away. Watch, it's gonna be 45 by dumb luck. Yep, it's 45. 49 is the third. That's 48. This is 50. And this is 47. So as you can see, other than that one being kind of dumb luck, but all of them kind of blew out at different ranges despite being in order. But we're gonna mix them up anyways. So,
Because you never know.
you never know. All right, real deal time. Man, it's hot.
A little bit.
It's a little toasty. All right. Alrighty, here we go. I'm just gonna mix them up, yeah? Just mix them up, doesn't matter. Shuffle them around. I'm horrible at shuffling. Okay, cool. Well, it doesn't really matter, I guess. Okay. Here we go. A moment of truth. Give it the old shake. That's ridiculous. All right, man. About to find out the winner. Kind of excited. Please be all 6. Did all 6 come out?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. Well, that's obviously the winner, right? All right. What is this one? This one is 25. Chili. Okay. So 25 is Kevin Martinez. All right. So Kevin Martinez gets the manual boost controller. And if you live in like a salty environment, salty wet environment, I'm including a stainless steel bolt. The adjustment bolt, so that way this one doesn't rust out on you. So congratulations, Kevin Martinez. All right, I think that's it, dude. All right, so tomorrow Chris and I are going to be weighing this 2JZ and this particular configuration. So it'd be big turbo with the aftermarket single manifold. Be doing the dimensions of it as well, so I'll be measuring it. And this one has an R154 trans, and I'll be going over to my friend Edwin's shop. We'll be weighing a 2JZ with an auto trans and a stock twin turbo setup. So kind of give you a variety of sizes and weights. to kind of go by for this engine. So stay tuned for that. That's gonna be the first engine weight series video.